Welcome back to the channel, YouTubians, Paddock Card Scale Dreams. First off, I just want to thank everyone for the likes, comments, views, and all my subscribers. Appreciate the support in the last video. So today got a bit of announcement and a shop card shoutout. Yeah, not too much. I got a big thanks to you guys. Hit 2,000 subscribers. So I remember when I started this channel, I was second. People would always ask me how I did this or how I did that. Not always, but don't want to sound arrogant. But would ask me how I did things, and I kind of got tired of explaining it or writing it down on Facebook or whatever. And then they would say, oh, you should just make like YouTube videos so you can just show it and it'd be easier that way. I was like, oh yeah, that's a good idea. Anyways, I never did for quite a while. And then a couple of years ago, I figured, yeah, let's give it a shot. I had no idea about YouTube community or anything like that. I never really watched videos on YouTube for models. I didn't know there was a community. I watched a few of Hi Pie guys. I think that's how you say his name. I watched a few of his videos, just kind of looking for, see what was new out there, and he always had like the newest kits that came out. So that's how I got into that. And then I watched some Rust stuff. A lot of the military guys, I really liked watching that stuff. Anyway, so I made my channel, quickly realized there was a big community, which is really cool. Lots of great people out there in YouTube, really support each other, and so I never imagined I'd get to 2,000. I thought, oh, you know, I'll just make some videos, and just when anybody asks me, I'll message them, you know, go check out this video. So I never really thought of big subscriber count or anything like that. Not that 2,000 is big, but you know, I never imagined 2,000. So anyways, I really appreciate everybody for their support, all my subscribers. Yeah, it's pretty awesome hitting 2,000. I feel like I was stuck on 1,900 there for quite a while. But whatever, it didn't matter. It's just something, you kind of get close to that number and you're like, damn, what's going on? Am I ever going to get there? So anyways, big thanks to all you guys. Really love being a part of the community, even though I don't get to watch everybody's videos all the time because of work. Makes it pretty tough. I work a 4-day schedule, 4 on, 4 off, so my days are about 15-hour days, so it doesn't really leave a lot for browsing, checking out videos and stuff, so I get way behind, and then there's just no way I can catch up. So anyways, I'll do a quick shout out here. So Ed over at Shoutout Models, really cool card. I love this card, great name. Thank you, Ed, for doing the swap. Go check him out, give him a like, give him a subscribe, show him some love. He's fairly new to YouTube. You know, he would always see, at least I would always see him in the comments section in my videos and other videos that I've watched. I'm a big comment reader. I like reading comments. Maybe that's why I don't get to as much videos as well. Is when I watch a video, then I'll read all the comments, and yeah, it's a thing. So anyways, go check out Ed. He finally got around to making his channel, so let's help him out, get him up there. He's about 360, somewhere in there right now. So go show him some love, and subscribe. Thank you, Ed. So I'm gonna have a giveaway. This is the video. If you want to get in on the video, you have to so obviously subscriber. So I'm going to have 2 winners. I'll have 3 kits to choose from, and then and the second thing is you need to put down in the comments 2000, 2K, hashtag 2000, whatever, it doesn't matter, as long as it's 2000. So I'll just go through the kits. So this is the first kit, the Johnny Lightning 1970 Dodge Challenger RT. So this comes with the die cast, which is really cool. I actually had another one of these kits. I got the die cast out of that one, so this one still has it. Everything, this is opened, but everything's in the kit. So that's number 1. It's a pretty decent kit there. The second one will be the 41 Ford Woody stock. There was a piece of tape on it. I just had to rip that off. So this kit hasn't been opened. This was in one of Walmart's 3 kits with the little paint thing deal that they had way back when they were trying to get rid of their stock and they stopped selling kits. Okay, so this is this one. You can pick this. Okay, so that's that kit. Really cool kit. I have another one of these, so I figured I'd give this one away. This one hasn't been opened. And lastly will be the 56 Chevy Nomad. This kit's sealed, hasn't been opened. The box is a little bit rough. This has been through a few moves, so I got another one of these kits, and that one is open, so I figured I'd give the closed one, add it to this giveaway. So when in your comment you're going to add 2000 in it, and you're going to pick which one you want. So when or maybe I'll just get you to pick if you win, because there could be guys picking the same ones. Like if I have 2 guys say, oh, I want the Nomad, right? So the first name will have the first pick of the 3. The second name that I draw will have the pick of the last 2. And that's how we'll do it. So 2K is all you have to write. Okay, and edit out that mean part, because that's not very Canadian, eh? Just kidding. Okay, so end of the video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for checking it out, and I hope prayers for anybody that needs them out there. Hopefully everyone's doing well, and hope everyone's staying warm as well. We finally got some warm weather here, so that's been nice. I got to turn down the heat a little bit, and everything, all the snow's starting to melt. We got a lot of snow, but it's starting to melt, so that's good. Okay, rambling. Thank you all. Appreciate you. 2,000. That's because of you. Appreciate you all. Thanks. Pat out. Bottle on.